Sis, look at my face. Like, look at my face. Oh my God. I'm literally lit. Boom. All right. So there we have it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that face. Look at that. I mean, a full face of first impressions just is we like, this is so annoying. There we go. I mean, I just love it. It's just, I love it. So I'll be right back and I'll give you my thoughts, my final thoughts on everything, darling. Okay, besties, what's going on? Here I am. I'm back for my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation. It does have an SPF in it of 15. I love it. Like, look how it has my skin looking. Like, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm so sorry, but I just love how my skin looks. And it is like a soft matte, so I don't look dry and limp. And even in person, it's just, it's everything. Like, it just makes me look so, I love how it makes my skin look. And I can kind of see where it says full coverage. Like, if you keep building, it doesn't have a cakey look. And I already put on like 3 coats. This is beautiful. Bobbi Brown like hit it out the park with this. I'm loving it. What else was new that I tried was the crayon case and Lola. That is something that, you know, you need to pick up for sure. Pick this up. Black owned businesses, black owned things. Please go out and pick it up. I will link it down below. Jackie Ina's Artist Couture collaboration. Sis already know what's up. Sis already knows she does her thing. The Huda Beauty, I'm probably going to do a completely different thing with it where I just try and use only these eyeshadows. But so far, I'm really liking it. But I like the Rose Gold edition. And a lot of people didn't like that because you have to use your fingers and all that. I never have a problem with it because I love using my fingers as tools. Honey, Little Miss Fenty with this Midnight Wasabi though. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Like, it got me out here like like, look at me. I'm really feeling this. I'm really liking it. I'm hoping that you guys are feeling it. I'm going to go lay my edges down. Okay, lay my edges down. Okay, and I'm going to try and get me a new like a little hair wrap because my black is beautiful, baby. Just in case y'all didn't know, all this melanin, all of this melanin, all of this melanin stay popping. My melanin stays popping. But Bobbi Brown got my melanin like on 10 right now. Like, first of all, let me get back in frame. Bobbi Brown got me popping. Bobbi Brown, this foundation, look, go out and get it. It's at Sephora. I really like it. It really has me looking like real radiant. I love it. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. We're coming back to back. back to back. All 2018 beast mode out here. We not sleeping no more. I have story times. I got this, I got that, I got that, I got this. Don't mean sound, bestie. Alright, so I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.